Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp. So basically ClickUp is just a web application for organizing your work. And now I will need you to go to your browser and just type app.clickup.com and click enter, and it will take you to the ClickUp application. And then you will need to sign in with your account or sign up with your email so you can create an account, or if you already have one, just connect with your account. And now it will take you to the home page, or maybe you will find yourself in the workspace view. And basically, to use ClickUp, you will have a workspace that you have created while creating your account, and then you will find your list. And of course, to work or to manage your work, you will either need to have like a template. You can like just create a template or import a template that will be easy for you to use. And of course, you will find multiple templates. For example, this is a CRM or client management. Those are some task management, building web pages, etc. Or you can have your own custom list. All you need to do you will need to click on your workspace, click on add icon, and of course I'm going just to add a list. And basically you will name it something. I'm going just to name one. And now you will, as you can see, we are starting from scratch. The first thing, you will maybe name the first field or the first listing, and this is to do. And now we are going to add a task or a card, name it whatever you want, task 1, and I'm going to click on save. And of course, you can have, or you can edit your task whenever you want. You will need just to click on it, and you will have this detailed view for your task, and you can add a description to it so you can have more information about this task. You can mark it as complete if you have some tags. And of course we can rename our listing. We can give it a color, as you can see. Let's just save. Should we change? Just save. And of course we can have some manage status, so we can name them. For example, have as many status as you want. You can have complete. You can have not yet, not yet, and it will have red color. And we will add the status. We can add another one in progress, and of course we are going to give it a yellow color, and we are going to save. And basically now we can give some tags or status to our task. And basically we had already task 1, and let's give it, for example, in progress, and you will find that it has this label. And also you can give it some dates. You can add the dates that you want. For example, if you have some deadline, you can give it some priority, urgent, high, normal, low, etc. And of course you can have this this process. You can do this process as many times as you want. And of course this is how you can work with ClickUp, and that was a general overview how to use ClickUp. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.